You can actually make money watching your TV from home or even your smartphone. It is absolutely crazy the different ways you can make money with today. That's right, get paid to watch TV. Now I'm going to show you exactly how you can do this, and I'm going to show you how you can make this money to your PayPal. And all you have to do is go to this site, www.tv. So we know that you love different ways to make money online, and as always today I'm going to show you another method in which you can do that. Making money by watching TV. It is super simple, guys. I'm going to show you exactly how you can do it and how you can get started today. You can get paid to watch TV and you can cash out directly into PayPal too. Okay guys, so let me show you how you can make yourself some money just by watching your TV. So we're going to jump into the site now and I'm going to show you how to get started, how it works, and what you need to do to get paid to your PayPal. So this is basically how it works. So you're going to go on to this site here and you're going to download the app. Now this works on your smart TV and your smartphone. If you don't have a smart TV, you can just use it on your smartphone. They both work in the same way. But if you have a smart TV, all you're going to do is download this app onto your smart TV. All right, so you're going to go to the apps on your smart TV, okay, and then what you're going to do is you're going to scroll through and you're going to look for TV2. TV2 is the site that's going to pay you to watch TV. So as you can see here, TV2, you're going to click on this and then you're going to click install. This is then going to install TV2 on your TV and you're going to click open. And once you've done that, you can add it to home and you can drag your little TV2 app across to wherever you want it. So it's near Netflix or, you know, whatever other ones you use. And you're going to connect it with the app on your phone. Now, the reason you need to connect it to your phone is so that you can do the token wallet, so you can collect money to get paid. And that's going to give you a barcode that you can scan, and it's going to give you numbers. Once you do that, it opens up your own personalized wallet. This is the way your TV is going to tell your wallet what you're watching and how much you're getting paid. So let me give you a bit about what TV2 is and how it works. So the reason TV2 is different from regular TV is because there's 3 major players. This was designed from 2 guys from Germany that decided that TV wasn't innovated enough. And when you watch TV, you just get a load of random content chucked your way and none of it is personalised to you. So with TV2, what happens is there are 3 major players. Like I said, you've got the user, which is you and I, and then you've got the advertiser and the original content creator. Now, the advertiser is the main bill payer. What the advertiser does is he buys tokens from TV2 and he gives it to the user. The user then shares a small amount of that with original content creators so that you can watch TV for free and actually get paid by the advertiser. So you get paid directly from the advertisers. There's no more paying networks to watch TV. It cuts out the networks completely, and all the profit that they make comes directly to the user. So this is the future of TV. It's quite a young company right now. It was released in June 18 and it went through beta testing for quite a while, and they partnered with Warner Brothers and major different original content creators to fill this platform up with really great content. Now you can also watch YouTube with this platform too. So you can put in your favorite YouTube channels and watch everything from this one app. It's really, really good stuff. Let me show you here what it does. So like it says here, you watch videos and you earn crypto. Now don't worry about crypto if you don't understand how it works, because I'm going to show you exactly how you can earn this and just convert it straight into cold hard cash that's going to get paid into your PayPal. So the crypto part doesn't matter. That's just the method that TV2 are going to pay you. You then go and convert it and it gets put straight into your PayPal. So just stick with me and I'm going to show you how to do that so that you make sure you don't miss a step on how you can actually get paid for watching your TV. So you can follow this site on different social media. They're on Twitter, they're on Facebook. You can read about them on Medium. And this, we're in the news section here if you want to come and check it out yourself. Then to set it up, what you do, like I said, is you download your TV2 onto your smart TV, as well as your iOS or Android smartphone. If you don't have a TV, it's no problem, you can just use it on your phone. You link the devices using the QR code, and that then opens up your wallet and you start earning. So you earn tokens, and they are ERC20, right? So when you go to convert these tokens, the TTTV tokens, you need to make sure you're opening it in a wallet that's compatible with that. Now don't worry, again, I'm going to show you exactly what sites you need to do to convert this money so you can get it straight to your PayPal, right? So how much do you need to earn on this site before you can actually pull your money out? Well, you need to earn 50,000 TTV tokens. 50,000 tokens equals about $32.15 right now. Now that amount changes with the market, so you can just check whenever you want, you know, how much that's worth at the time, but at the moment it's worth around $32. So I'll show you how you can find that out. If you go down here to just here, frequently asked questions, and it says here CoinMarketCap. So you click on CoinMarketCap and it's going to take you to this site here, CoinMarketCap. Now you can put in 50,000. When you first get on it, it'll just have a number 1 in, and it'll say Bitcoin here. So all you need to do to find TV2's tokens is just type in TTV, and it'll give you the option. You click on it, have it at whatever country you're in to find out what it is for your country, and then hit convert, and that's where it tells you that 50,000 of these tokens is worth $32.15 in US dollars. All right, and then once you've got that amount, you can pull this out. All right, so in order to do that, you can go to this site here. MU stands for My Ether Wallet. Okay, and you can then join, if you don't have an account already, create a new wallet, and then once you've created your wallet, you then can access your wallet here, and this is where you can send and swap your tokens. Right, so you're going to swap your tokens to Bitcoin, and then you're going to send them to a site like Coinbase here. Coinbase is then a marketplace that you can sell your Bitcoin for cash. So then you'll sell Bitcoin here for cash. You will then pay it direct into your PayPal account. This is how you're going to get paid for watching TV, and you can pull what you earn into your PayPal account. It's really easy when you get set up and get started. It's just a few clicks of the button to transfer your tokens into Bitcoin and then sell them and make money to transfer into your PayPal account. Just a few steps, and with this as well, you can click through on your remote control and you tell them if it's an advert that you like and if it's not personalized to you. And the algorithm that TV2 have, it learns with your viewing and personalizes everything you get. So it's a really great viewing experience. So definitely worth checking out, definitely worth giving it a go and seeing, you know, if it's something for you. Now, obviously this isn't for everybody. It is a bit technical on some parts, and if you don't know how to use some of the sites to get around Bitcoin and, you know, transferring tokens, there are some tutorials on their website showing you just how you can do that. But as with everything like this, you're trading time for money. When you do it, you have to be watching the TV to earn your money. So if that's something that you don't want to do, if you're looking to get away from trading your time for money, and if you want to try and earn yourself a passive income, if you want to earn money while you sleep, while you go on vacation, take the kids to the beach, share a drink on the beach with a loved one, whatever it is that you want to do with your time and you want to enjoy that freedom, then check out the link in the description below, because this is what me and Ryan do. We thoroughly enjoy the business journey we are on, and we thoroughly enjoy everything about what we have done. Now, it was about this time last year, October time last year, that we decided we wanted to do something different with our lives. Ryan works a full-time job and I didn't want to go back to work after my little boy had got older. So we decided to start looking for something for us to create our own business. Now we weren't looking for pocket money, which is what this site I've just shown you is. We were looking for a substantial income, something we could build up and we could create a passive income with over time. Now, when you start this kind of a business, you have to be serious about it. We only want you to go and click that link if you are serious about changing your life. So this is a really great way to create yourself an online business. If you're tired of the 9 to 5, if you're tired of the commute and the rush hour traffic, if you're tired of having to work for somebody else and make them rich while you live paycheck to paycheck, then you need to check out that link. See if it's something that's for you. See if it could help you out. And if you're serious about changing your life, if you really are committed to changing the way your life is, then this can absolutely work for you. It does take hard work and it does take commitment. But if you've got that and you know where you want to be and you know where you want to go, this is absolutely the business for you. So with that said, that is all I have for this video today. I hope you try out TV2 and I hope it works for you. And as always, guys, enjoy the rest of your day, make it epic, and I will see you in the next video.